Going up there, baby. DWreck. Let's get up to the footbridge for a better view.
It's official, ladies and gentlemen. WREKZit's ears just popped. He's feeling the climb. I'm not at all. Doesn't bug me a bit. I'm in stellar shape right now.
Shut up.
Yeah, right. So it's really wet up there at the base where I was going to take off. So we just backed up about 50 feet, 70 feet, something like that. Now I'm just trying to figure out, and if I have to, I can land where I was going to land, up there.
Down here on the next gap, yeah.
Okay, that's what we came for.
Let's go stage.
That's what we came for. Let's do it. That's what's up. All right. Well, that was fun.
That was sick. Dude, look how wet your cameras are. The whole drone is like so. Yeah.
We did it. We're on our way back. This is the easy part now. No walk of shame. Waterfall's up there. We're down here. My drone still flies, and I got my GoPro.